What's up, YouTube? We're back at it again. Simply Jackman presents another installation video. Today we're installing some ultra-wide side mirrors for my GR86, also compatible with the BRZ. As always, I will have timestamps below. We'll have links to the actual item below and the instructional videos I followed. I followed a combination of Kevin Vo and another YouTuber for the turn signals. In this video, I'm not gonna actually attach the turn signal functionality, but I will drop a link so you guys, if you guys want to use that additional feature, you can. But it's just a straight install. You can see what it looks like. Alright, I'm gonna give you a little view of what that is a digital mirror, but I guess you guys can't really see that. It's another install that I had done. So I wanted a dash camera that also had ultra wide, so I have no blind spots, but I need to show you what it looks like using these ultra wides a little bit. So alright, here's a video of the ultra wides in action. You can kind of see the additional visibility that you gain from them. I kind of wish I had it before and after, but yeah, I didn't really make an outro, so this is what y'all get. Enjoy, and thanks again for tuning in. Until next video, it's Jackman.